What a nice classic Mustang. Were they as expensive as they are right now back then?
Oh no.
No?
About $2,500.
Oh my goodness. But how what was 25, I mean comparably now, how much would that be right now?
About 30,000.
Yeah, that's a big difference.
They're 23 to 25. This is one of the least expensive ones because it's come with a 6-cylinder motor on it.
Okay.
But it's an odd paint color. This was only supposed to be on the fastback.
Okay.
Somebody ordered it anyway.
Yeah. Hi, how are you? Wow. Never seen such a big hood before.
Oh yeah, it's a lot of hood.
Yeah, that's huge.
It's the largest hood in automotive in all cars.
Largest hood in automotive?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because that's
the largest hood of any car.
Is it custom or stock?
It's stock.
Stock?
Stock. Yeah. It's
wow.
With the car. Yeah. Carbon fiber hood.
Wow. Yeah, that's huge. Anyway, it's a hood. Yeah. Why did they make it that big? Is it because of the power?
Yeah. I don't know. I mean, it's the design.
The design?
The way they wanted it.
Yeah, this is huge, man. This is. Wow.
I lost my best friend to 23. She left her body and hovered above me. I saw no shadow. I looked around, searched every building and home that I found. I saw no shadow, but felt a glow.
Is this yours?
Sure. No, that's my buddy. That was mine.
You guys have nice rides, huh?
Thank you.
How long have you had these cars?
That's his first car out of 4 he's got.
Oh, okay.
So that's the only one I've got, and I've had it since 2011.
Oh, okay.
But when I bought it, it did not look like that.
You did so much to it, right?
A lot.
The warmth inside me, it kept me afloat. It felt like heaven had found my bones and gave me comfort when I feel alone. Now you're gone, I'm alone. I guess it's time to get better. Through the pain, I will go alone. If I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder. 'Cause I'm not dying alone. I lost my best friend to 23. She left her body and hovered above me. Best friend to 23. I heard the heavens crying above me. The gained an angel, I lost a friend. I felt like dying again and again. I went through hell, stared at death, but I keep fighting with each living breath. I saw no way out from where I stood. Felt like the fire had burned me through. Now you're gone, I'm alone. I guess it's time to get better. Through the pain, I will go alone. If I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder. 'Cause I'm not dying alone. I lost my best friend.
Memories from the past, like embers inside our souls. Truth will always last. A part of us they can't control. Stayed right there in the silence, fear disciples, we will not conform. No, we're not backing down. Stand up, 'cause we are the movement. Don't stop, straight into the dark. Wake up, 'cause this is the moment. And every fire starts with the spark. A revolution. We are the movement. Straight into the dark. This is the moment. Straight into the dark. Revolution. If I drown, would you pull me back to you? If I drown in your poison. If I drown, would you pull me back to you? If I drown in your poison. If I drown, would you pull me back to you? If I drown in your poison.
What a nice classic Mustang. Were they as expensive as they are right now back then?
Oh,
No?
$2,500.
Oh my goodness. But how, what was 25, I mean comparably now, how much would that be right now?
About 30,000.
Yeah, that's a big difference.
They're 23 to 25. This is one of the least expensive ones because
Okay.
it comes with a 6-cylinder motor in it.
Okay.
But it's got it's an odd paint color. This was only supposed to be on the fastback.
Okay.
Somebody ordered it anyway.
Yeah.
If I drown in your poison. If I drown, would you pull me back to you? If I drown
When I'm with you, I am able to keep pushing my limits. And all the drive that I have, well, I'm going the distance with you. I didn't know what I had till I knew what was missing. And everything that I dread, well, I built a resistance with you. Catch me when I fall, and I'll keep you on the ground. You were gone, I wish you'd stay. I could look at you for days. Time was well spent, that's when I knew that I need to spend my life here with you. Fast lane, I understand that you've been broken too many times, but I'll be waiting to mend your wounds from all you've taken. But if we listen to each other, admit our mistakes, then I can show you who I am, because I'm not the same. I'm better with you. I'm better with you. I'm better with you, you. Catch me when I fall, and I'll keep you off the ground. That's when I knew that I need to spend my life here with you.
Hi, how are you? Wow, that's never seen such a big hood before.
Oh, yeah, it's a lot of hood.
Yeah, that's huge.
It's the largest hood in automotive in all cars.
Largest hood in automotive?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because that's
It's the largest hood of any car.
Is it custom or stock?
It's stock.
Stock?
Yeah, it's
Wow.
the name of the car. Yeah, carbon fiber hood.
Wow. Yeah, that's huge. Yeah. Anyway, it's a hood. Yeah. Why did they make it that big? Is it because of the power?
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's the design.
The design?
The way they wanted it.
Yeah, this is huge, man. This is. Wow. Anyway.
And it's like a $15,000 part of the car. So they get in an accident, it's huge. You know, it's
Just that
yeah,
part.
just that front clip. Yeah.
And any slight damage, I mean, probably you just need to replace the whole thing.
Right. Yeah. Or you can have it repaired, repainted. The company that originally painted the car, Prefix, they're up in Michigan. They'll redo it. You know, but it doesn't come cheap. Nothing does. You know.
15 grand. I mean, that's a whole car.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, that hood is massive. That is crazy.
races me to the peak. Can we find any light without the music around? There will always be one love, one life. Without no love, you got no regret. Without no regret, you got no love. A melody where I belong in this life. In this life.
Faded in this dark and smoky room, with your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but I don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna fuck this whole thing up like I do every time. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my heart, yeah. Run free, so I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. I should stop before I'm in too deep and I can't go back. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. upside down, upside down. Find your way into this wonderland. Cross the maze, the dark, the innocent. Chase the faith, the thrill, the heaven sent. I got your world upside down. The labyrinth will guide you far away to a place where senses will decay. Your ghost and mind will shadow play. I got your world upside down.
Standing in a glass bowl at the end of a black hole, cold, lost and upside down. Faces swirling past me, all my memories rolling vastly. Cold, lost beneath the ground. All done by my own hand, I allow my feelings to become sand. If you're gonna cut me down, better do it quickly now. You can cut me down, but I won't stay for long. I'll grow back again. Oh yeah, my roots are strong. This is not forever. Folks changing like the weather. Cold, wet, and all around. Toxic people being severed, like leaves falling in September. Cold, wet, and on the ground. You can cut me down, but I won't stay for long. I'll grow back again. Oh yeah, my roots are strong. say the word. Say the word, can run. Say the word and we can run round the earth and around the sun. Say the word and we can stay. Forget about that better place. And I know you're healing, 'cause I know the feeling. The streets stop breathing. I don't wanna let you. Say the word, say the word. Say the word. Seeing all the reasons we should forget about this place, but I don't wanna leave here if you're just gonna stay. Changing like the seasons, been wasting all this time. Should be like satellites cast beyond the sky. Leave our fate for another day. Riding these horizons, we'll find our way. We'll leave our fate and fade into the night. Just follow me to paradise. Just say we tried. Say the word and we can run round the earth and around the sun. Say the word and we can stay. Forget about that third place. And I know you're healing, 'cause I know the feeling. The streets stop breathing. I don't wanna let you. Say the word, say the word. Say the word. Say the word and we can run round the earth and around the sun. Say the word and we can stay. Say the word.
A Norfolk night, the world is cold.